Hello, welcome guys. My name is Galaxie. Welcome to this series. And today we are gonna discuss about setting up the environment to run Docker on your computer. So let's get started. Let's head over to the Docker site. I'll open my browser. Then I'll just put the link, that is docker.com, and I'll put the link in the description as well for your use case. We need to download Docker desktop to run your Docker on your Mac or Linux or Windows. So just head over to this button, just hover over, and you'll see they have provided you different executable files for Mac, Windows and Linux as well. So choose the operating system of your choice. I'm using Mac that has Apple Silicon, so I'm gonna click on this. If you are from Windows, then choose this. If you are from Linux, then choose this. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on this. It will download, and I'm just gonna save this DMG file, which is the executable file for the Mac. So I'm just gonna save it on my desktop. Just save it and it will download. After you completed your download, just head over to the installation folder. They will provide the DMG file for the Mac, and for the Windows they will provide the exe file. Before I double click this DMG file or exe file on a Windows, I want to show you the terminal or the command prompt. In Windows you just go to the command prompt. For Linux user and for Mac user, just go to the terminal and just type the Docker and hit enter, and you can see Docker has not been installed. So I will head over to this download folder and double click on it. On Windows you just double click the exe file, okay, and I'll just put this app on the application folder. Mac will copy this Docker app to the application folder. It's just a thing of the Mac. And in Windows you just double click and it will open. Just provide the necessary permission on your Windows and Mac as well. I'll just keep the permission, and it will ask for this agreement. Just accept it. After you accept the terms and condition or the agreement, then it will take you to this page. So it will ask for the recommend settings or the advanced settings. We are just gonna use the recommend setting for now and just click finish. And for Mac they might ask you for the system password. Just give it that, and once it is complete, then it will ask to log in or to skip. If you want to use this Docker for personal use, then head over to personal or org, then just choose the tab of your choices, and you can also log in with your Google account and also GitHub account, and also create an account of your choice. I'm just gonna skip for this since we are learning. And from April 2025, for the non-login user, there is a limit for pulling the images of the Docker. That will be 10 per hour, and for the login user they have provided the 100 pull image limit. So note that in your mind. For this tutorial I'm just gonna skip for now, and I'm just gonna choose one of the following, maybe, or maybe I don't want to choose. Okay, I'll choose learning and teaching. Continue. And this is the dashboard for our Docker. It will look like this. This is the dashboard for the Docker, and it will look like this. And for now we will be focusing on the container and images, and on the later chapter we will be focusing on the volume. So when you create the image or you pull your image, it will show in this panel, and for the container it will show on this panel, and that's it. And when our Docker is fully installed, we can again run the terminal or the command prompt. If you are on Windows, you use command prompt, and for Linux and Windows user, just use terminal and type the command Docker again, and it will provide the list of command over here. So if you want to see the Docker version, then type docker -v. Throughout this series we are gonna learn lots of commands, so be prepared for it, because when you learn this command you will be pro in Docker. So you might see like this when you type the command docker -v. Docker -v means the version, so it has given us the version. Okay, that's it guys, that's all for today, and on the next chapter we'll be talking about creating the hello world. We'll pull the image to run Docker and show hello world program, so just be prepared for it and set up your environment like I have taught you. See you on the next time. Also, if you like this video and you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.